it's Chantel with Wild Berry Quilting, and today we've got the spooky box from Fat Quarter Shop. I've seen several people posted theirs already, and it has taken so much restraint to not watch those videos because I want it to be a surprise. So to begin with, it says, no tricks, just treats. And it's got this cute little ghost and spider on it. I wonder who does all their artwork. They always do such a good job on it. So the coupons on the back, it's $10 off a $50+ purchase. That is awesome. Or $20 off a $100+ purchase. Very nice coupons this time. Those will definitely get put to use. And I'm going to set this aside. Ooh, so it looks like the first thing we've got is some washi tape. And it is from Sweet Fire Road, I think it said. Yes, Sweet Fire Road. And it's got little witch hats and kitty cats and moons. And on this one, and then like these star things. And then a very pretty floral. Looks like maybe morning glories. That's cool. Give me your tips on using washi tape because I don't use it very often, but there are so many really beautiful and adorable washi tapes that I wouldn't mind getting. Oh, got some things stuck together. Oh, I've been wanting a new needle minder for doing the cross stitching that I've started doing. So this is coming just in time and I absolutely adore it. It's so beautiful. Look at that cute little kitty cat. Oh my gosh, and little flowers on his butt. I love that. I'm definitely going to be using that on the next project I do. Oh, and then we've got these black cat pins. They are so cute. Oh my gosh. I'm going to open these and show them to you. And of course it's got tape on it too. Try and get this off so I can open it. These are just too cute. And they're very long, which I really like long needles. That way I can use them for attaching the interfacings of like waistbands and stuff like that. Oh, these are just too adorable. And let's see how many it comes with in there. 60 pins. So that's a pretty good amount of them. And they just are so cute. I love those. Definitely have a kitty cat theme. Oh, and our pattern is the spooky ghost. It says boo. And it is, I'm guessing it's going to be like a table runner type thing because it is 24.5 by 42.5. You could also use it as a wall hanging too, though. Doesn't really call it anything. So determine what you want to use it for, I suppose. But that is cute with the little ghosts that spell out boo. It reminds me of the Mario ghosts from the different Mario games, the haunted castles, and those little ghosts that kind of creep up on you when you turn your back on them. And the fabric. It looks like we got a junior jelly roll. And try and open this up so I can show you. Man, that plastic's on there good. It's called Fright Delight, and it's by Lindsay Wilkes, the Cottage Mama. let's see. Try and, oh, there we go. Oh, these are cute. If you hear noise in the background, that is my daughter playing with blocks. So I apologize for any noisiness, but she's having fun. This is kind of like a storybook kind of, reminds me of like The Cow Jumps Over the Moon, except for it's kitty cats. And then we've got this one that's kind of like a circle around polka dots. Whoops. And it's all coming apart on me. Oh, these are moons and stars and little spiders in between. That one makes me think of candy corn. It's like gingham candy corn. And these are getting away from me. There we have some actual candy corn with a few other little treats. Oh, look at those pumpkins. And then this is back to that really vintagey kind of storybook one. Oh, this is a cool gingham. And more candy. And all of this has kind of like a washed out vintage look to it. You know, these dots with circles around them almost look like eyeballs. Maybe that's what they were going for. But not like, you know, gory eyeballs, just eyeballs. This is a really nice gingham. I like that a lot. You can kind of see that eyeball look a little bit better on this one. And more candy. And come back here. There's the pumpkins. Oh, there's a little bit better view of that kitty cat. He's holding a sign. It says, Happy Halloween. The happy is cut off, but you can just make out the letters there at the top. And it says Halloween. Oh, I like this one in the gray. That's really pretty. My other daughter is sitting here looking at the fabric. She's going, there's spiders on it. This almost looks like little cards that all say different Halloween stuff. 'Tis the season, trick or treat, may the witches be kind to, I would suppose that means that finishes with you. So like maybe old vintage posters, Halloween posters or something. And then that same one on a white background. These are really cute. Look at little witchling sleeping on the moon. Super adorable. I love this, and bless you. I love this, and I love the pins and the needle minder. Oh my gosh, I think that needle minder might be my favorite thing in the box. It is so stinking adorable. I love it. That's going to be used on my next project. All right, so I think that's everything in the box. I'm pretty happy with it. I think my girls want me to show you what they've been working on. They've been working on cross stitch as well. We've kind of all started doing it together as a family. Not everyone in the family, but my two of my girls have been doing it with me. She's got a little chick here, and she kind of did that one all on her own without really using much of a pattern for it. And my other daughter did this really cute little fish. She says she wants me to let you know it's not done yet. So they're both in the progress of working on it, and they're enjoying the whole cross stitch thing. So thank you so much for joining me, and I'll see you again next time. Oh, and don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Bye. Okay, I had to come back for just a minute because when I went to open the washi tape, I realized this is the kind of washi tape that you use on your sewing machine in order to get an accurate seam allowance. It's got the little stripe going right down the center. Each one of them has that. So there's my daughter picking out the ones that she likes. So just something that I wanted to point out and show you that those are the kinds for your sewing machine and not just your standard washi tape, which I guess you could still use it for whatever, but makes them a little bit more useful for us sewers, I think. I still want to know what you guys do with washi tape though, because I just don't use it for much. And I feel like I'd have to take up scrapbooking or something to have a use for it. All right. See you again next time. Bye.